So there is a little thing I forgot to mention in my previous video, and that is, well, what if you don't want to install the server and you just want to access a dictionary on another server, but you didn't, you can't install DICT by itself because you're in Arch, the DICT client by itself because you're in Arch. Well, the protocol actually has a work to request the server for a definition, and that's actually shown in the DICT man page. So let's use that as a basis. As you can see right here, we can see the ways that we can request a server for a definition. The simple one is this one, and this one is just for strategies, search strategies from how you imagine words. For example, you want to search words that have a suffix or a prefix, that kind of stuff. So what can you use? What can we do with this information? Well, we can actually use cURL. cURL actually lets us do something like simple as this. We tell it which protocol we're going to use, what our server is, and then the word we're looking at definition for, and very importantly, the database we're looking for. So let's look the definition of dictionary on GCIDE, and there we go. If we want, for example, the WordNet definition, there we go, and the full doc definition, there we go. So what is this useful for? Well, someone has written something that I think is very useful. A plugin for Vim that lets us interact with the server using cURL. And the link's going to be in the description. But basically, all you have to do is open up your config file, a big Vim or new Vim config file. Install the plugin with whatever plugin manager you're using, and here we go. Give it a list of hosts and server and dictionary databases, and you're going to be looking stuff in. So what can you do with this? You're given a couple of command called DICT, and you can just look up word, just DICT and a word dictionary, for example, and it's going to look up in the multiple database you have installed. A minute now. Ooh, that's bad. Hello. There we go. So as you can see, we get all our definitions even from the in this famous definition. And not only that, if you have a word you want to search for, you just have to do something like this, and it's going to recognize the word under your cursor, and it's going to give it to you in a minute now. So here, this is the GitHub page. If you don't use Vim, you prefer to use Emacs for whatever reason, in the AR you got this package that lets you do this, basically the same, I suppose. I don't know, I don't use Emacs. So there you go, how to use DICT on other programs. Thank you.